So I looked up their address and oh my god. Day 42 on the 180-day challenge. Yesterday, Team Hatzi, I had the crazy idea of ringing and emailing the supplier because I was not getting through to them on the phone, as you saw. And Team Hatzi, what I did was I emailed them, and today I was waiting for a reply back. And when I checked my phone, after that crazy surprise, Team Hatzi, I finally got the chance to read the email. The email said to meet today at 4 p.m. But I had school today and I could not meet them at 4 p.m. I didn't even know where they were, Team Hatzi. So I looked up their address and oh my god.
They were an hour and 20-minute drive away, Team Hatzi, and there was no way I was going to get the chance to go out there and see them.
It was day 43, and after yesterday's shock, Team Hatzi, I took today just to take a break and just think about what Team Hatzi is all about. I reminisced on the past, and I thought about what the future could be like for Team Hatzi. And then I got a knock at the door. Team Hatzi, there's a crazy guest at the door that just wants to say a few words.
Hi, Team Hatzi. I'm Walter Fleming, and I'm a crazy scientist, as you can see with my cool microscope. I love Team Hatzi, and I've been following them since day one, so you should subscribe to Team Hatzi and join the Hatzi movement.
Day 44. After yesterday's motivation, it was time to think about what Team Hatzi is all about, and I decided to start by making a website. I made this cool website, as you can see right here.
This is a prototype of the first ever Hatzi website, and it looks amazing and very, very professional, Team Hatzi.
And then I found a supplier really close to my area, and I decided to send them an email and see what happened, Team Hatzi. It was day 45, Team Hatzi, and it was time to ask you guys what ideas you have about Team Hatzi. The one that stood out the most was putting a Hatzi sticker with the Hatzi hoodie and purchase. Wait, what's that? Okay, thank you. I just got an email from the supplier and I'm gonna read it. I keep getting too excited. The supplier said to meet them at 1 p.m. on Friday. But there was a problem, Team Hatzi. I had school at 1 p.m. on Friday. Don't worry, Team Hatzi, I had a solution. It was to ring my employer and tell them about the supplier and give them a list of questions to ask them. So this is what I did. Hello? Yes, we've got it. We've finally booked in for a supplier. Yeah, do that. Okay, I'll send you a list of questions. That's great news, Mr. Hatzi. I'm privileged to be your first employer and I can't wait to see what they say. Okay, bye. This is amazing, Team Hatzi, and I am super excited and I can't wait to see what the suppliers is going to say and what the clothing they have is going to be like. It was day 46, Team Hatzi. Yesterday was a historic day and it meant so much because this has been in the planning for a couple years now. So today, Team Hatzi, I confirmed with the supplier that we'll be seeing them on day 49, and I also tried thinking about the packaging of Team Hatzi. I got ideas about Hatzi clothing coming in plastic bags, Hatzi clothing coming in biodegradable bags, and one that stood out to me the most was Hatzi clothing coming in, yes, that's right, boxes. This is what we're going to use for Hatzi clothing, and I can't wait to put Hatzi clothing in boxes because when you get a box, Team Hatzi, you're instantly like, oh my god, what did I get? This is the best thing, and you just instantly think that you've been a good boy and you've got a little prize. It was day 48, Team Hatzi, and it was time to design the first ever Hatzi hoodie box, and this is what I came up with. It looks super stylish, and when you see it at your door, you'll just be like,
looking for house number 41. Oh, there it is. We're delivering the special Hatzi product.
I love homework so much. I wonder what it could be. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's a Hatzi product! Hey! Oh my god, it's Hatzi's first ever hoodie. Oh my god, what is it? Oh my god, it's Hatzi's first ever product. So this is where we're up to now in the 180-day challenge, Team Hatzi. So make sure you follow the Instagram. I'll put it down below. We have recently grown so much on Instagram. We are now at 200 followers. So Team Hatzi, in the meanwhile, stay tuned and remember to